Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to reset Chrome on Android. We start by entering the settings of our phone and then in apps until you reach the list of them. Next, we search and click on Chrome. Here we will click on Storage. After that, depending on our phone model, one option or another will appear to delete the data. In this case, we will click on the Manage Storage option and then on the Clear All Data option. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.